Alright, welcome to Waftio, and we're going to go through the process of setting up an app. So when I'm logged into the manager, if I haven't added an app yet, I'll see the Add App or click here to create an app button. So I can use this and click on either one, find out which app I want to create. Do I want the survey app, the form app, or the sweepstakes app? The sweepstakes app is specific to contests, kind of like with a start and end date. I'm just going to go for a simple form app. So I'm going to click add, it comes up, and then I can take a look at the details here. So this is the specify an ending, and I don't really want it to end anytime soon, so I'm going to put that way out, and I am on Eastern time, so I'm going to find a Eastern time there and go through the details. So I'm setting up my form. It is creating it on the right, as you see as I go through this. So what do I want to specify as a heading for my app? And in this case, it's a free ebook. Download the holiday marketing free ebook. Alright, so when I do that, my heading has changed. I can specify a color for my app. That's the background pieces there. And what do I want that to match up to? Let's just go with a dark theme. And then if I wanted to specify an image, I would load this here. So the image could appear in my app, and if I wanted to show an image of the ebook, I could put it there. In this case, I'm going to skip that piece and move on to the form. So the form is already there with first name, last name, and email address, and in actuality that's going to serve me fine right now, but I'm going to adjust my text. Sign up to receive the free digital marketing ebook with tips on Facebook, email, and more. Just to make it quick and simple, I save that, and I can see how it's going to look. And I continue to, so on the right is my app as it's formed, and I'm going through the details then. So that was my text, and I want to, this is the edit button, so just to give you a little window on those. Do I want to rename it? Required. Will apply email validation. So I want to make sure it's an email address so that it has an @ symbol in it. They can't just put anything else in there. If I wanted to require the name, I could do that as well. This allows me to change the order of the fields. So if I want to, now you see email is above it, okay? But I don't necessarily want that. I want first name, last name, email address. And then I can activate the agreement option. So is there, maybe you have to live in Canada and you have to have that opt-in, or you want to make sure that people are opting in. So we're going through the agreement. I agree to the terms. Let's see, I'm going to say I agree to the, this is generic details that we give you ahead of time, and then you can fill those out, whatever you want to say in your privacy terms. Agreement checked by default, so that means it's pre-filled in for them. And yes, I want to receive email updates, so I'm going to add that to customize my text and have the opt-in checked. Let's see here. Yes, so required text, I just have a field there to required, just in case we're working in Spanish or something like that. We could change that to your language. And what do I want to do here? Get free ebook. Let's do that in the bold letters. And then, whatever I want my email to come to, support@waftio.com. So I'm going to put in there for those updates. And if I wanted to use an additional field, such as more fields for a survey or something like that, I could do those. So in that case, maybe I want to capture 5 fields, and so we would allow you to do that. You just you'd only have 3 on the first form, so when they would click on it, then there'd be an additional form field, and people would have to go there. So let's just say we wanted this, and we wanted to add it. All right. So it could appear there like that. Alright, so I am going to get rid of the address. Then I can customize the thank you message. Thank you for providing your information. Here is your free ebook. Okay, and I need to go over and grab my URL for that, and then I'm going to come back. I'm going to make that bold. I'm going to link to it. I'm going to paste my link in. My target, I want it to open in a new window. Selecting OK. Checking it out. It's OK there. And I'm including a link to privacy there. And here is the privacy policy. So we give you a sample there. You can customize that to your needs. And then you could take a look at it one more time. Everything looked good. Save it. And you are ready to go. You have now saved your app. It is here. So now it's time to deploy it. So I can go to embed, and I can go and grab the embed code, and then I'll take this over and deploy it on my website. So if I have a WordPress site, I can add that. You use a simple plugin such as a script plugin, free plugin, and then drop this in there. So it's how you want to apply it, if you want to apply it to one page or multiple pages. But this is what you're going to do. You can apply that in the HTML area, and that will be there. So that's the simple setup of a Waftio app. This is Mike signing out. Take care.